which number should we try? 304. See, 30 cannot be divided by 42, right? In that case, so take 304. 304 upon 42. You'll get roughly. You'll get it 7. It is less than 42 is 42 into 7 is less than 304. So try by 427. This is a hint for trying the numbers. Next is B, 9 upon 13. Again next fraction. Convert it to improper. Then 13 nines are 117. 117 plus 9, 126. 126 upon 13. So convert it to decimals. 9.6923. Divide it and check this. Okay. So let's find the square root now. 0, 9, 69, 23. These are the three groups. So 3 3s are 9, that's okay. 0, 69 over here, 61 1s are 61, then 62 over here, and here it is 823. So 6 and 8. Just try, means 6 is 6 1s are 6 is less than 8. So 621 into 1. Try that. You'll get it 621 over here. It is 202. Okay, that's okay. So 3.11 is a square root. Getting it? Practice it yourself. This is very important. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. It will be helpful for you throughout your life. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.